Okay, so today what I'm going to do is transplant this orange tree into a larger pot. This is a tree that I grew from seed from an orange, and I don't remember what kind it is. It's probably a navel or something like that. But anyway, it is 3 feet tall now, and that one long stem there has been dropping some leaves. So I think it's about time to move it into a larger pot. So we're going to move this one into this pot, and then this one into that pot. So I'm just going to show you that, and we'll get on with it. Okay, as you can see in the larger pot, I've got some soil in here already, mixed up and moistened. And the other two, I let them dry out a bit because it's easier to pull it out when it's dry. So, oh, that came out very easy. Look at that, just pulled right up. Oh yeah, look at all those roots. Wow. Look at that. It is definitely time for a new pot. So, we're going to set that in there. Shake it out a little bit. Get it a little bit further in there. There we go, that's alright. Kind of break that up a little bit. Pack the new soil around and put some more in there. So I took a new potting mix, put it in there and moistened it all up. And this is moist as well. And this tree should hopefully do really well with more room to grow and stop dropping leaves. So if you're doing something like this, growing things inside, and they start dropping leaves, it's a good idea, good indicator to check how root bound it is, and it may just be time to move it into a bigger pot. Anyway, there we go. That's pretty good right there. I'll move that off to the side a little bit. And this one will fill up. Do it over that pot so it keeps the mess more in the pot than on the floor. There we go. Make a little space in there, and we'll do the same with this one. Oh yeah, pulls out just nice. Yeah. Look at that root. It's wound itself right around the bottom of the cup. Time for a bigger pot. Definitely. There we go. A little bit more. There we go. Okay. And what I'm going to do is water these a little bit, and then they'll be adapted to their new home. So that's transplanting very easily and quickly. Like I said, let it dry out a little bit before you pull it from the old pot, because it pulls out a lot easier, as you saw. So there you go. Hopefully one day we'll have oranges growing here, and that will be really cool, because I live in a place where this stuff does not grow naturally outdoors at all. We have winter and it is brutal, and Yeah, so if I can have oranges, that'd be awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you again next time. You know, liking and subscribing really helps a small channel, so thank you so much.